In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Java in the new Microsoft Edge. Java applets used to have widespread support among web browsers, but with Microsoft Edge, it's a bit different. Edge doesn't directly support Java applets like Internet Explorer did in the past. However, don't worry, you can still use Java by enabling Internet Explorer mode for specific websites, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do that. Let's start by launching Microsoft Edge. Once you've got Edge open, you're going to head over to the settings. You can do this by clicking on the three dots located in the top right corner of the window. These dots represent settings and more. Go ahead and click there, and you'll see a drop down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to look for the default browser option. It's the section where you can control what Edge does with websites that might need to be viewed in a more traditional way, similar to how Internet Explorer handled things. Click on Default Browser, and this will take you to the page where you can adjust your browser's behavior when it comes to compatibility. On this page, you'll find a setting that says, Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a drop down next to this option. Click on the drop down and select Allow. What this does is give Microsoft Edge permission to open certain websites using an emulation of Internet Explorer's engines, which still support Java applets. It's important to note that making these changes requires a quick restart of your browser for everything to take effect. Go ahead and close Edge and then reopen it. This restart is crucial because it allows the new settings to kick in and ensures that everything will work correctly moving forward. Once you've restarted Edge, you're all set to visit your desired websites that require Java. While you're browsing, if Edge detects the need for Internet Explorer mode, it will automatically switch over to ensure compatibility. This way you can enjoy your Java-based content without any hitches, combining the modern reliability of Edge with the classic support of Internet Explorer, and there you have it. You now have Microsoft Edge set up to work with Java applets on websites that need it. Enabling IE mode in Edge is a straightforward process, and it opens up more options for using those specific sites that rely on Java. If you found this guide helpful, give it a try and explore the sites you've been missing. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and happy browsing.